When your mind is in overdrive and your body's just buzzing with restless energy, it's not just gonna shut down on its own. You have to unplug it. This breath-driven flow is designed to interrupt the anxiety loop and reset your focus and just really get your parasympathetic nervous system back online, because then you can think and feel steady again. Let's get started. Let's begin in a child's pose. So open your knees up about as wide as the mat. Bring your big toes together in the back and then sit down on your heels. Once you're there, just fold forward, place your forehead on the mat. Right away, you're feeling your lower back start to open up and lengthen, and especially if you have any soreness in your lower back, you'll really be feeling it right there. You're also opening up your hips and your inner thighs, playing with your kitten. This is Bosco. And so what I want you to do is just feel into those places. Remember, wherever you're feeling it is where you're healing it. And then just start to breathe really deeply, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Couple more big breaths. Now what I want you to do is lengthen your exhale breath. So breathe in through the nose and you're pushing your belly out. And then as you exhale, pull your belly in, but exhale twice as long as your inhale breath. And we'll be here for 3 of those. And now just roll forward into a tabletop position. Walk your knees backwards. We're going to take puppy pose. And then reach your arms forward. Keep your arms as straight as you possibly can. And just start to lower your chest down towards the mat. Feeling a big opening in your chest. There's a kitten in your shirt. Couple more breaths here. And then press yourself back up, tabletop position. You silly goose. And now let's thread the needle. So make sure you're in a tabletop here. Reach your right hand out and up and then thread the needle. The right hand goes under the left arm. Cheek and shoulder are laying on the mat. You're turning, looking to the left here, and you're just resting and pulling your hips towards the right for a deeper stretch. And now press your left hand in, reaching out and up with the right and back to tabletop. We'll do that on the other side. Left hand up, thread the needle left under right. Keep your hips moving to the left here. And now pressing into the right hand, reach out and up with the left. And back to tabletop. From here, just roll forward into a king cobra. So open your knees up nice and wide. Start to lower your hips down towards the mat. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and look up. And now tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Take a moment to pedal it out. You're bending into one knee and then the other. And eventually finding some stillness. Now let's really focus on the breath here. On an inhale, I want you to roll forward into a king cobra. Big giant breath. On an exhale, downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, but open your mouth on the exhale. Again, inhale, king cobra. Exhale, downward face. 2 more times on your own, making a lot of noise. Good. From downward facing dog, walk your feet forward. Open your feet up nice and wide. Grab opposite elbows and just start to hang. Now again, focusing on the breath. What we're gonna do is inhale, come up and reach up. Exhale, sigh it out and fold forward. Inhale, reach up, exhale, sigh it out. Couple more times. Now this time, reach and rise all the way up. Grab your right wrist and left wrist and lean to the right. Inhale up, grab your right wrist, lean to the left. Inhale up, little back bend here. Exhale, sigh it out and fold forward. One more time like that. Inhale, reach and rise. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale up, little back bend. Exhale, sigh it out. Good, this time bring your feet together about 2 fists apart. Come up halfway, half lift, make a number 7 shape with your body. Big inhale breath, and then exhale, fold. One more time, inhale up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come up halfway, half lift. Exhale, downward facing dog. Plant your hands, send your feet back, making a V shape with your body. On an inhale, roll forward, king cobra. Stop. Goodness. Exhale, downward face. Inhale, king cobra. Exhale, downward face. Make some noise. Sigh it out. 2 more times like that. Inhale, king cobra. Exhale, downward face. Last one. Inhale, king cobra. Exhale, downward face. And now just walk your feet forward and sit down on your bottom. Kiss your kitten if you've got one. Shake your legs out. Move the meat. Flex the feet. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, fold. Let your head just hang here. Really tune into your breath. Inhale up. Exhale, sigh it out. Good, and come back up to a seat. Find an easy seat anywhere on the mat, crisscross applesauce. Sitting up really tall, and let's finish here with 3 big belly breaths. In through your nose, press your belly out. Lift your chest, hold it at the top, a little bit longer. Now exhale, drop your chest. Pull your belly in, all the way out. Take a big cleansing breath. You just shifted your state in 10 minutes flat. Your body is calmer, your mind is clearer, your energy feels reset and recharged. Keep this tool in your back pocket and come back anytime you need to unplug from the noise and plug back into you. We'll see you soon.